Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? We must learn to live together as brothers or perish together as fools. Work hard in silence. Let your success shut their mouths. Creation is quiet, but destruction is noisy. Grow silently. Forgiving someone is easy, but being able to trust them again is a totally different story. The time is always right to do what is right. Success hugs you in private, failure slaps you in public. That's life. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. A seed grows with no sound, but a tree falls with a huge. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. Now, don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not try. Real beauty is modest, and real wealth is silent. Powerful people are like eagles. They always fly alone. No one is your enemy. No one is your friend. Everyone is your teacher.